He graduated last year from Ringling College, and now he's a teacher in West Palm Beach.
For over 13 years, Parafruit Education Inc. has been transforming student lives.
We did a piece where we went out in the community and grabbed rocks, and we looked at a poem by Tupac, Rose That Grew from a Concrete. So they analyzed Tupac's poem, went out, we found art, rocks, painted them, did portraits, and he's going to say a poem by Tupac.
Have you heard about the rose that grew from a crack in the concrete? Proving nature's laws wrong. It learned to walk without having feet. Funny it seems, but by keeping its dreams, it learned to breathe fresh air. Long live the rose that grew from the crack in the concrete. Nobody else even cared.
A whopping $1.8 million in scholarships.
We're a nonprofit dedicated to hands-on learning in financial literacy, entrepreneurship, budgeting, arts, and STEAM.
Hi, my name is Nelly Salahuddin, and through Parafruit Education, I've been able to discover my love for art and pursue it in a career.
Hi, my name is Kiana Bruno, and through Parafruit Education, I was able to attend one of the summer camps and find my underlying passion through dance. And through my next journey of life, I'll be attending college and majoring in dance.
That man over there says that woman needs to be helped into carriages and lifted over ditches and have the best place anywhere. Nobody ever helps me into carriages or over mud puddles or have any best place. Look at me, look at my arms. I have plowed and planted and gathered into the barns. And no man can head me. I can work as much and eat as much as a man when I can get it and bear the lashes well. And ain't I a woman?
Giving young people the tools they need to build real-world success. At Parafruit, students don't just learn, they lead.
I participated in Parafruit Education in 2012 in Liberty City. It provided a lot of education in the arts, a lot of education in entrepreneurship, and a lot of guidance that was really needed. And he saw through my sketches and me developing in his class, I would draw a lot, and he pushed me a little bit more towards the art side and started to foster that education of how to mix that into entrepreneurship and being aware of the decisions I was making, be aware of how finances go into that. So it's been a full circle moment. I'm teaching at New World School of the Arts. I'm running my own community programs to give back, and I'm pursuing a higher education at Yale University now. I just want to thank Mr. Parrish and Parafruit Education for providing opportunities to educate us in entrepreneurship and the arts and provide mentorship and guidance to the students that still make connections to this day.
I pledge to do my best on this educational quest. My entrepreneur team will be paid to build my dreams. Respect is the key, which helps motivate me. Confidence control will help me soar through my goal. No problem, big or small, cause I can solve it all. Parafruit Education is the place that won't let us fall.
They build student-led businesses, design innovative STEAM-based solutions, and go on career-building field trips that unlock leadership and life skills. They learn how to manage money, create short and long-term savings plans, and develop the confidence to dream bigger.
So, I would like to be a lawyer when I grow up, and I figured out that I could probably make a base salary starting of $125,000. And originally I thought that that money would just be given to you. But what Paris taught me is that there will be deductions from your salary. You know, there's federal tax, Social Security, Medicare, and a couple of other things. And from that $125,000, it goes down to $76,000, you know. And with that money left over, we learned how to budget it. And with the budgeting, you know, you factor in things like rent, utilities, groceries, stuff like that. And I used to not budget. I used to just throw money around, whatever. But, you know, now that I've learned to budget, I've learned to save more money.
Our tools, including the Money Movez board game, mobile app, and community pitch events, Turn creativity into career pathways and financial independence. Your support can cover a student's college application, open their first savings account, or fund life-changing experiences. Turn passion into power. Sponsor a dream. Invest in a future. Visit www.parafruiteducation.org and make your move today.